We and still the game is on fire here at Central Conference. And for our game 3, Municipality of Urbiztondo contra Municipality of Sison. Who will get the much needed win, volleyball fans? We will see that later. Kaya sit back and relax at i-comment nyo na kung sinong team ang inyong sinusuportahan. Again, this is Marian Fabito, your courtside reporter, and let the game 3 begin.
#39 played between Municipality of Urbiztondo and your Municipality of Sison. The national referees for this match, our first referee, Sir Crisanto de Guzman. And our second referee, Sir John Jordan Macaranas. Players, coaches, technical officials, good luck and keep the ball flying. Set 1. Played between Sison. For 6, passing na po.
Good afternoon, Pangasinan. Good afternoon, Pangasinenses. At syempre, good afternoon sa lahat ng mga volleyball fans natin na nanonood dito sa Kalasyaw Sports Complex, Kalasyaw, Pangasinan. At sa mga nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay, sa trabaho, saan man, panig ng mundo. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na binibigyan niyo sa ating Governors Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. We are now on a third match on the men's division. For our first point is for Team Urbiztondo. They are playing against Team Sison. Urbiztondo has 2-3 standing and Sison has 3-1. To the open, who hits the antenna? That's an early 2-point lead for Team Urbiztondo. There was a miscommunication on the end of Team Urbiztondo, talking about Garcia and their libero, player number 6, Orozco. Now player number 15 will serve for Team Sison. Good first ball. Shoot set, pero hindi kinaya. We are now on a all-2. 3-2 is now our score. Player number 8 of Urbiztondo will serve for the match. For the set. The libero takes the first ball on the side of Sison. Lumasang is denied. There you have it. Dumalanta gets a point for Team Urbiztondo. The score is now 4-2. It's a good point for Team Sison. 3 serving 4. 1 point lead for Team Urbiztondo. The libero takes the first ball, setter 2. And there you have it. There was a miscue on the side of Team Urbiztondo. Kaya naman ginawan na ng paraan ng libero. Pero Sison took advantage on that free ball. Good up on the side of Sison. Talking about player 16, the captain. It's a rule for lumasang. Lamang ng isa ang Team Sison. 5 serving 4. Player 17, Sainas, will serve for Team Sison. Libero takes the first ball to the middle. The captain gets a point. Kasipit, player number 2, did not waste that good set coming from his setter. Carino is on deck to serve for Team Urbiztondo, player number 13. The signature jump serve. Free ball, binigay. Ibinalik. Tinginan. Ayan na. Sino kaya ang makakuha ng first point? Lahat is working so hard for this. And there was a good coverage on the side of Sison. And so with Urbiztondo, napakaganda ng palitan ng rally. There was a check according to our first referee. It was a long and intense rally na ating napanood. At nanalo ang ating team Urbiztondo. Carino is still serving for Team Urbiztondo. Player number 13. Sa mga nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay o trabaho o nasaan man sa sasakyan, maraming salamat. Maganda pong manood pag nasa live po tayo dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex. Dahil napakaganda ng mga laban. May mga stare downs that we are witnessing. Battle against these two teams. Talking about Sison and Team Urbiztondo. Mainit po ang palitan ng bola. Kaya naman, pinatawag na ang dalawang captains ng bawat team. So balik tayo sa action dito sa loob ng Calasiao Sports Complex on our third match between Urbiztondo and Team Sison. The libero takes the first. However, that quick on the middle of attack is mishandled by the libero of Sison. Masyadong malakas yung palo na yon. Now Urbiztondo is on dead to serve. Now that is a miss hit for the middle on Team Sison. Bernal apologizes to his coaching staff as player number 2, Kasipit of Urbiztondo, continues to serve. 5 attack for Lumasang. No one takes that ball. 10 serving 7 is our score. Still Kasipet will serve for Team Urbiztondo, whose team is up by 3. Team captain sends that ball along. It's a free point for Team Sison. 8 serving 10. Lumasang play number 8. Over receive. So the coach of Urbiztondo is saying there was a net touch on the side of Sison, but the point is awarded to Sison dahil nahulog na daw yung bola. Let's back in action. Garcia is denied. 10-all is our score. Lumasang play number 8 is on deck to serve. Garcia tries to score. 1-2 play for the setter, pero nabasa. Now Hernandez breaks down the wall. $11-10 is our official tally. Lumasang still serves. Good first ball. No coverage on the side of Urbiztondo. Kaya naman napatawag ng timeout ang coaching staff ng Team Urbiztondo, whose team is now down by 2. Balik tayo after this time. Back to the action. Score is 12-10. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team Sison, as Lumasang is still on the service zone for Team Sison. Another attack error coming from the side of Team Urbiztondo, whose team is now 3-point deficit. A pipe attack is given, but Carino does not like that. What about that attack from Hernandez? 14-10 is our official score. Lamang ng 4 ang Team Sison. Carino gets the first ball. Garcia sends that ball long. Lumalaki na ang alamangan ng Team Sison. They are now up by 5. 15-10 is our official score. Garcia will try again. Another denial at the net. And so with the 1-2 play of Cabradilla, the setter is well read by Hernandez. De Vera is in for player number 8, Flores. It's out. 5 points ang hinahabol ng Team Urbiztondo, as Garcia will now serve for Team Urbiztondo. Player number 17. Carino will try. But according to our linesman, it is inside Therefore, the score is awarded to Team Urbiztondo 12 serving 16. 4-point. One to play for Team Sison, courtesy of the setter Bernal, pero it was wide. Trying to target a zone 5. Garcia still on the service zone. Four-point lead is being enjoyed by Team Sison, 17-14. No one was there to cover for De Vera when he tried to joust the net against Hernandez on Team Sison. Carino will try, but he is well read. Team Urbiztondo is now down for as much as 6 points. Napakalayo na po ng kanilang kalamangan. It's 19-13 for the score. Napatawag ng timeout ang team Urbiztondo. We're back in the action. Dalawa na yung timeouts ang nagamit ng Team Urbiztondo. Kaya naman sinabihan na sila ng ating referee. Wala na silang timeout. So, let's see kung ano ang gagawin. It's another ace for Team Sison. 20 serving 13 is our official tally. Bernal. Carino gets a point for his team as Cabradilla will now be on the service zone for Team Urbiztondo, whose team is deficit by 6. Good defense on the side of Sison. Another try for Team Urbiztondo, courtesy of Carino. 15-20 is the score. Setter is still on deck to serve. A bump set. Garcia to Carino, who tries to have a score using the hands of the blocker. Now that was long for Team Sison. 4 na lang ang hinahabol ng Team Urbiztondo. The score is now 16-20. Short serve. De Vera took advantage of that free ball na binigay ng Team Sison, who is up by 3. Sison napatawag ng timeout. We'll be back after this time called by Team Sison. 20-17. We are back in action here at Calasiao Sports Complex dito sa Calasiao, Pangasinan. We are witnessing a match between Urbiztondo and Team Sison. First set of the third match this afternoon. Four-point lead for Team Sison. Player number 15, Hernandez, is on deck to serve. Carino tries to check that on the hands of the blocker, pero masyadong mataas. 22-17 is the tally for this first set. match between Sison and Team Urbiztondo. Dumalanta gets a point for his team. 18-22. De Vera will serve for Team Urbiztondo, player number 18. Good first ball coming from the libero of Sison, but that somebody scrapes the net. 23-18 is our official tally. Now 2 points away from getting this first set. Talking about Team Sison. On the other side, 18 points. Palang ang Team Urbiztondo. What a deception on the side of the setter for Urbiztondo on that attack given to Carriño, who's on the service zone, player number 13. Lumasang tries. Another one. Dumalanta tries to do a cut shot, but that did not cross the net. Set point now for Team Sison. 24-19 is our official score. It's a good coverage from the libero of Team Sison. Carino takes that first ball. There's deflected. Good eye on the eye of the libero. Swipes the ball. Now Kasipit gets a point for his team. Talking about the captain of Team Urbiztondo. Dumalanta goes to the service zone for Team Urbiztondo. Player number 1. Garcia will try to score. Yes, he did. 21-24 is the score. Napataw ng timeout ang Team Sison, who is up by 3. And now they are at set point. So we'll be back after this time called by Team Sison. We are back in action. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan for the Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. Nanonood po tayo between Sison and Urbiztondo. And that pipe attack from Carino did not work for the team. Kaya naman nakuha ng ating Sison team ang first set for this third match this afternoon on a Sunday here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. We'll be back for the second set. We are back in action here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan for the second set on our third match, playing between these two municipalities, Urbiztondo and Sison. First set belongs to Sison, eyeing to get the fourth win in this eliminations round, where Urbiztondo is eyeing to get their third win. Garcia starts the second set. First point belongs to Sison. Cabradilla tried to deceive the defense of Team Sison, pero that 1-2 play did not work. Carino is blocked. Now this is still unable to send that ball on the other side of the court. Talking about Carino. 2-0. Hernandez is dug. Carino will try, but is covered. Carbadilla tried again for Carino, who rolls the ball on the other side of the court. Goes to the middle, and one-hand dig worked. Setter sends that on the other side, and that is unacceptable on the side of our first referee. So it's a violation catch for Team Urbiztondo. That's a point for Carino and for his team. Play number 9, the setter. Ball is deflected. Another one. The lefty tries. That one is out. Bernal, the setter, is wiping the floor para iwas disgrasya po. Madulas po kasi kapag may mga pawis sa ating court. That's a free point. Now it's deadlock at 3. Para sa mga ka-tune in lang sa ating live coverage, first set belongs to Sison, and their score was 25-21. That attack by jersey number 8, or player number 8, is denied at the net with a 3-man block on the side of Urbiztondo. That one is long. Player number 15 is on the service zone for Team Sison. Another one, but that one is out. 5-all is our official score for the second set on this third match on the men's division. Good coverage on the side of Team Urbiztondo. Another kill block. That's a tandem of player 11 and player number 2, the captain of Team Urbiztondo. Now player number 8 on the side of Urbiztondo serves for the team. Back set, worked, no now. Another good save. There was a joust at the net, and that one wins by, of course, player number 6 of Sison, Antimano. Another deadlock for this second set. 6-all. Sainas. Stay to the libero. Who goes to the middle for Carino. Sends that along. No touch. Sure serve for Sainas. They go to the lefty. Dug, but mishandled by player number 16, Bernal. We are now again at deadlock, 7-all. Player 13, Carino, serves. Good first ball. Pipe attack. Good dig on the side of Urbiztondo. And Kasipit, player number 2, the captain, gets a point for the team. Urbiztondo takes now the lead. 8-7 is our official tally. Carino with his signature jump serve. Miscue on the side of Urbiztondo. Now Carino takes that first ball. Garcia gets a point for the team. 9-7 is the official score. Still on the service zone is Carino, player number 13 of Urbiztondo. That attack coming from player number 3 was too strong. Napakalakas po ng palo na yon na pinakawalan ng ating player number 3, lumasang mula sa municipality of Sison. Missed reception on the side of Urbiztondo. Nagbibigay sila ng chance ball. The libero places the setter on the side of Sison, pero it's a chance ball now for team Urbiztondo, who sends that ball wide. Player number 6 serves the ball for team Sison. All 9 is our official tally. Lamang na ang ating team from Sison. 10-9 is our official score as player number 6 still serves for team Sison. Goes to Garcia. Clean hit. Player 11 sends that ball wide for Team Urbiztondo. It's a free point for Team Sison. Napalakas ang service na yon ng utility or opposite ng Team Urbiztondo. The captain receives the ball. Binigay Garcia, who is dug by the libero. The setter tries to get a 1-2 play. Garcia is still dug. A chance ball now for Team Urbiztondo. Pipe attack did not work. Early timeout for Team Urbiztondo. Lamang ng dalawa ang Team Sison at lamang ng isang set sa ating third match for the men's division. Babalik tayo after this time. We are back in action here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Nanonood po tayo ngayon ng live na live, and we are enjoying the match between Sison and Urbiztondo. Good cover for Lumasang. Who will get a point? There was a check on the side of Urbiztondo. Point is awarded to Sison, who's now up by 3. 13-10 is our official tally. Back set for the captain. The setter covers. Another one for the captain. Chance ball now. Another one for the captain. Still deflected. That's inside for Team Sison. For 13 serving 10. That's 4-point lead for Team Sison. Carino receives the ball. Garcia is denied. Coverage for on the side of Carino. Now that is mishandled by Team Sison. That attack coming from Garcia. Captain serves the ball, but that ball went straight to the net. We now have on the service zone for Team Sison is player number 8. That one is short. Also an error on the service zone for Team Sison. 12 serving 15 is our official score. Garcia serves the ball for Team Urbiztondo. What about that hit? Good combination play for Team Sison. The ball was deflected pero hindi naiangat yung pangalawa. The touch on that ball na pinakawalan ng Team Sison. Carino tries. And Carino scores for his team. Cabradilla now on the service zone, which means he has a full front that he could maximize. Tingnan natin how would he able to use it. Senas is blocked by Carino, player number 13. 2-point deficit for Team Urbiztondo. 14 is serving 16, 2-point lead. That ball went long. Napakalakas ng palo na yun ni Senas. on the side of Sison. Kaya naman isa na lang kalamangan nila. Cabradilla. Back set. And he is dug. Carino rolls the ball. Another back set. And that one is long. And it's outside. Okay, the call. Okay, so my net touch on the side of Urbiztondo. So the point was awarded to Team Sison, who is up by 2 points. 17-15. Balik sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng Team Sison. Lamang din sila ng isang set against Urbiztondo. Now 15. Player number 15 is serving. Carino takes the first ball. Back set to the lefty, who did not like that set. There will be a substitution on the side of Urbiztondo. Dumalanta in, and Duran is out for Team Urbiztondo. Now player number 15 is now serving. So Carino. Binilisan na lang ng palo na yon ni Carino, and he was able to get a score for the team. Pero lamang pa rin ang Team Sison ng 3 points. Flores is out, and service specialist player number 4, Manaog, is in. That was a strong hit coming from Seinas, who will now go to the service zone for Team Sison. Player number 17 will serve for Team Sison. Lamang po ng 4 ang Team Sison ngayon, 2016. Okay, so we have to make sure that all players are safe. Kailangan punasan po yung mga pawis na meron tayo dito. We're back in action here. 20-16 is our official tally, as player number 17, Seinas, is now serving. Dumalanta uses the hands of the blocker, anti-mano. Three-point deficit, Team Urbiztondo. Now, we have player number 13 serving for Team Urbiztondo, who sends that ball straight to the net. 21-17 now. Player number 6 will serve for Team Sison. Good serve. Kanang ibibigay. That one is in. 1 point for Team Urbiztondo, who is behind 3. Player 1, Dumalanta, serves the ball. Four-point lead is being enjoyed by Team Sison, and lamang din sila ng isang set. Good first ball. Good dig. One-hand dig of Antimano. Timeout. called by Team Urbiztondo. The score is 18-23. 5-point lead ang meron ang ating Team Sison. Babalik po tayo after this time. We are back in action here for our third match on the men's division. Live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex. 2 points away from getting a win for this match for Team Sison. 23-18. Now that's 19-23. 4 points ang kailangang habulin ng Team Urbiztondo. Bump set. Good cover. Garcia scores a point for Team Urbiztondo. Humahabol ang Team Urbiztondo. Another point for Team Urbiztondo. That's Garcia. Time is called by coaching staff of Team Sison. They would like to talk things over dahil nakahabol na nga ang ating team from Urbiztondo. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Sison. Babalik tayo after this time. And we are back here sa ating match. Urbiztondo and Sison. Still on the service zone is the captain, Kasipit. There were bodies on the floor on that sequence. Match point for Team Sison. 3 match points. Ang kailangang i-save ng Team Urbiztondo, 21-24. Anong gagawin ng setter? Ibibigay kay Garcia. And there was a check. 1 match point saved, 22-24. Garcia now on the service zone. Goes to the middle. Who is denied at the net? Another try. Good coverage. The ball is deflected. Now Cabradilla goes to Carino, who hammers that ball. Hindi pa tapos, sabi ni Carino. 1 point lead for Team Sison. 23-24. And that ends that set and the match. Team Sison is the winner. Congratulations sa ating Team Sison, who's now at 4-1 for the standing. It's 25-23 for the official score on our second set.
Our player of the game with 8 attacks and 3 blocks for a total of 11.
Points. Wearing jersey number 15, John Hernandez.
Hi, Dispo! And that ends our Game 3 volleyball fans. Kita natin on third game ang eagerness ng Team Season to get the much-needed win. So congratulations to them. And also congratulations to Team Urbiztondo. And right now joining me is our best player of the game from the winning team, jersey number 15, John Hernandez, having 8 attacks and 3 blocks, total of 11 points. So first of all, congratulations for winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. Very intense din yung laro nyo kanina. So, from the first set to second set, what was the team mindset para mag-stay focused and also hindi mawala sa momentum?
Um, we just followed what we have trained lang po. And yung system po ng coaches namin, sinusunod lang po namin. And also, this game po is para po sa mga teammates namin na from BCT na hindi po nakalaro po ngayon kasi may exam po sila sa Baguio po.
Yan. And also personally, what was your preparation for this game? Since galing ka pa ata ng Manila.
Actually po ako po, kaka-uwi ko lang po galing Manila kanina from a cabin crew recruitment po. So wala po kaming preparation po, lalo na po ako. Pero sabi ko nga po sa sarili ko, kailangan po ako, and isa po ako sa mga senior ng team. So kailangan ko po silang i-lead and kailangan pong ako po yung manguna po sa loob ng court.
Yan. Thank you so much. And again, congratulations for winning on this game and for being the best player of the game. Partners, take it away.
Thank you so much, Marnie. So there you have it, our player of the game. And this time, Let's now move forward to our winning coach. First of all, congratulations po sa inyong panalo. Coach, right now you have your winning streak, tama ba? At your first loss was your first game. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kayo nakakaranas ng talo. So, meron namang sumunod. May sumunod. Alright. So this time, sa mga susunod pang laro, ano kaya yung magiging preparasyon nyo para at least magtuloy-tuloy yung winning streak nyo po?
Siguro yung preparation po namin, sir, is yung always attend the training from Monday to Friday so that magkagamayan po kami sa loob ng court po.
And follow-up question lang, Coach, heading to this match, ano kaya yung nag-work sa team nyo kaya nakuha nyo ang panalong ito?
Siguro yung inspirasyon po namin is yung mga kasamahan po namin na wala po kasi they have their prior commitments sa Baguio for their tournament. Kaya yun yung nag-boost sa amin para panalo po yung laro ngayon.
All right, thank you so much. So there you have it, our player of the game together with our winning coach. And of course, gaya ng ating mga traditional na ginagawa, syempre, bibigyan namin kayo ng opportunity para pasalamatan, i-shout out yung mga gusto nyong i-shout out, your supporters, and of course, your LGU. And mag-start tayo kay Christian.
First of all po, thank you po Lord sa binigay niyo pong panalo and strength po sa amin. Second po sa family ko po and sa mga taga-season po na nagsusupport sa amin dito po sa Kalasyaw Sports Complex. Maraming salamat po. And shoutout, special mention ko lang po si Ate Renzel from Santa Barbara. Thank you po for support.
Thank you so much, Christian. And of course, there were Coach, anyone who want to give credit sa inyong panalo and gusto mong pasalamatan sa larong to?
So first of all, gusto ko naming pasalamatan ang aming local government unit headed by our municipal mayor, Honorable Alma Lumibaw. And of course, our councilor, Sir Junjun Manuyag, na always very supportive sa aming laro. And of course, lahat po ng Sisonian na talagang very supportive kahit malayo po ang Kalasyaw, andito po sila.
All right, thank you so much once again, our player of the game together with our head coach and sa ating viewers online. Tumutok lang po kayo sa ating official page dahil right after our commercial, masasaksihan na po natin ang Battle of Mapandan versus the undefeated Santa Barbara. This is your live commentator, Nash Austria.
And I am Marnie Ann B. Fabito na nagsasabing, Pangasinan,
Ang galing!